To get to 1000 subscriber on this YouTube is very easy. If you can follow some simple steps, okay. So now for you to start making money on YouTube, you need your 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hours within the period of 12 months. That is 1 year. Now I'm going to share with you how you're going to get your 1000 subscribers faster, okay, and easier. And after doing this, you're not going to encounter problem in the future. Do you understand? Now many creators will tell you that if you want to get to 1000 subscribers, you have to go to Instagram, you have to go to YouTube, you have to go to Facebook, copy, uh, go and look for one of the trending videos, copy it, do one or two things and upload it. Now listen, they might do this and they will not form a victim. Why you that want to apply it in your channel will now be the scapegoat. Do you understand? So now what will it take you for you to calm down and create your own content and upload it? Now if you want to get to 1000 subscribers, keep on uploading shorts. Yes, they will tell you that short kills your views. Yes, it's true. It's true. Short kills your view, but as you want to gather your subscribers, I will advise you to start uploading shorts. Now, if you don't have time to create your short or create your shorts different, then create a long form video different. Now, I will advise you that once you finish uploading your creating your long form video, then you re-edit it. Do you understand it? You re-edit it. Now, if you want to edit your long form video, you know that you will set it the aspect ratio of 16 ratio 9. Do you understand? Now, if you want to upload it in form of long short, now you are going to you know that once you want to upload your short is not going to be up to 1 hour, a minute. Do you understand? It will be 9 seconds or 60 seconds. Do you understand? Or it will not be up to that as a beginner, so that people will be able to engage. Now, you are going to set your aspect ratio to 9 ratio 16. Do you understand? That is for for your short form videos, okay? Or you set it in form of that aspect ratio for your Instagram or your Facebook. Do you understand? Now once you finish setting it like that, you go over to your your YouTube and upload it. Do you understand it? So don't copy people's content. Don't copy people's content. Don't copy people's content. YouTube is somehow trick you. If you didn't take time, you might even upload it. Immediately you upload it and just relax with the hope that you have already uploaded a short form video that will give you millions of subscribers or millions of or thousands of subscribers. At the end of everything, you realize that YouTube have deleted your channel. Now remember that YouTube is deleting people's channel. Like YouTube is deleting people's channel because of reused content. So I would advise you to do this thing that I told you. If you don't know how to create a short form video, or if you don't know how to upload your short form video, I'm going there now to show you create your how to create your short form video to avoid had I know. So now make sure that your video is ready. Just click on your YouTube app, okay? Then you click on this plus sign down here below. Once you click on this plus sign here below, you choose short, okay? You choose your short. Then come over to your gallery here. I have a video that I made already, so click on it. Load. So once it load, you click on done here and allow it to process. Okay, now then go over to sound up here. You see where they write add sound, then click on it.
and select the trendy sound you will use. Okay, this trendy sound will help your video to go viral. Do you understand? Now let's choose this second trendy sound here. Okay, so once you choose this trendy sound, you click on this blue arrow here. Okay, once you click on the arrow here, you come up here. Wait, let me show you. You come up here. You understand? Okay, so when you come here now, this is where the magic lies. This audio here, you raise it up so that people will be able to hear what you're saying. Okay, then reduce this small a bit. Do you understand? So when you reduce it a bit, then you click on this good here. If you want to add text, you come here that you see alphabet, add text. For example, now let's say the title of this video is how to get views, to get more views. Okay, then you add this with black color here, because you know that the background is white already. Then you add it with your white, with this black icon color here. Okay, then after set and done, you click on done. Do you understand? Then come down here and click next. Okay, so when you actually come here and write your title. Okay, that is how to get more views. So how to get more views is our title. Then leave it on list. Location, add your location. Not made for kids, you leave it on not made for kids. Okay, then allow video and audio remix. Have to allow video and audio remix. Paid promotion, all these things you add it. Okay, add paid promotion. If the video is paid promotion, you click on no. If it is not, you click on yes. If it is paid promotion, you said yes. If it is not, you said no. Now for the sake of this is no, it's not paid promotion. Then altered content, you click on no. If it is AI video, you say yes, but this is not an AI video, you click on no. Then comments, then related video, this place, then you choose one of your long form video and add to it. Do you understand? So this is how to do it. Now after doing all these things, then you click on, just go ahead and select the video. Let's assume this, then it will appear here. Then go straight and click on upload your video. Do you understand? So this is how to upload your shots here. Let me show you down here below. Just go there and upload your shots. It's as simple as that.
So now this is how to upload your short form videos. Do you understand? Now if you have any question, you can add on the you can ask me at the comment section. YouTube is very, very tough this time around. Do you understand? So you have to be extremely careful on the type of content you upload, or make use of other people's content. Now they will tell you to upload this short like this, do it like that, do it like this, do it like that. Go to their channel. Did they even do any of these things that they mentioned? Just go through their channel now. Did they do any of this type of style they ask you to upload the short form video? You should use other people's uh, video and upload your video. Go through their channel. Even there are some of them that have lifestyle channel that you know that you can upload random things there. Did they upload any people's content there?